Hello, I'm Edward. I will show you how my application works. I created an Node Express application that interacts with the MongoDB database collection. And so I will show you how I also attached an API docs to explain how my application works with Swagger. Okay, so I'll start by demonstrating how all my endpoint works. So I'll just go into render. Let me cancel this. I'll go to render. So render is a place where I published my application, and so I just click on the link. So it takes me to the application. So I have to type /contacts to be able to retrieve all the contacts in the database. Okay. So these are the contacts in the database that I have. So David Whitmer, and the last is Emily Clark. So I go to my database. Okay, let me just refresh that. Yeah, zoom out a little bit. Okay, so the first is David Whitmer and the last is Emily Clark. Okay, so back to our application. I'll go into the Swagger docs, API docs. Okay, so this explains how my application works. And the good part about this is you can also try out how if the endpoints are working just right there on the docs. So there's this part where you try it. Okay, so I'm trying to create a new contact. Okay, so if you like, you can edit this. If you like, you can start from scratch. Okay, but I just did that for an example. I did that using the example under the schema. So under the schema, just down there, there's an examples. So yeah, I'll just execute that code. Okay, there's an example. So the contact was created. Okay, and so another response would be 500, that's server error. Okay, so for now I'm going to go to the next endpoint, that's get all. Maybe we'll check if the contact was created. I'll execute that. So David Whitmer, okay, Emily Clark, but now we have an additional contact. Let me check if my database is also showing that. So it's not showing that, so I'll have to refresh it just up there. Okay, so there it is. Okay, I'll go back to our docs. I'll just close up that. Okay, let's edit that contact. So I'll use the ID, copy, go back to the docs and try out if it is working. I'll paste it there, and I'll not update everything. I'll try out the last name. Let's try out the last name there. Okay, just make sure that this is valid JSON for it to update. So just put JR there at the end. Okay, and update. If you like, you can update um, multiple attributes of one entity, but I just used one, like the last name. So the contact was updated. Okay. So if you put in the wrong ID, it will be contact not found. Another will be an error. So for an example, if I put in something else, maybe 6 here, and try to execute that. Yeah. So there is a response. ID did not match with any record. Okay. So contact not found. Alright. So let's check if the JR is reflecting using another endpoint. So this time I'll use the get by ID endpoint to check if the JR is really showing. So I'll paste in the same ID. Okay, still have it. Okay, see that JR is reflecting there. That's good. Then let's delete the contact. See, we try the delete. Before we delete, check the JR in the database as well. So while it's refreshing, I can delete it. Best escape. Okay, contact was deleted. So when I come here, see the JR is showing there. Then once I refresh this, I think that contact should not be there. It's gone. So back to the docs. Let's say I wanted to delete something that was not there, like this. Execute. Contact was not found. So that will be a 4 response. Okay. So that sums up all our endpoints. Thank you very much for watching.